Love. Is it true love? Have you ever thought, what is love? How does that feel? Of course you did. We all did. Felt, seen, realized, and mostly admired. Love is a feeling that you feel in various ways. That can be anything, like in a person, work, passion, crush, nature, animals, thing, place, and much more. It gives you an amazing deep feeling and a big smile on your face when it is felt. When you feel it, it's so peaceful that you don't want to leave it. Of course, you shouldn't leave it because it's so pleasurable and peaceful. Now, is it true? Love is true when it is progressive, means both sides are increasing together in all the areas in life. It can be emotional, physical, mental, professional, personal. Where progress means one person supports another and another person also supports him back. Like we all know about hand in hand progress, that is called as compatibility. Love is real when it is shown in fruitful form of progress. Let's take an example. If a girl who is a doctor and I love the boy who wants to be a singer, she supports him in every music albums, recording, projects, she motivates him in every aspect, that is emotional, mental, and also in a physical way most of the time. The boy gets success in his playbook singing dream. The boy also supports her back when she is tired, messed up in the hospital waiting for her, sometimes cooking and taking out special time for her in his whole day busy schedule, and cheers her up too. Both are happy, motivating, understanding each other with progress in love, career, bonding, and compatibility. It is true love, right? Think about it. Do you have this progress in you? That you are able to balance yourself, your career, your love, your need, your want, and your desire too. What about you? Did you find your true love? It's in you. Ask yourself. Have a communication with you as I've explained in my last video. Now, there are people who love a person and there are some people who love their work, the passion that keeps them alive and the innovative along their path towards success. Now, love with your work is full of enthusiasm that cheers you up, zeal that keeps you firm, and motivation that flows in your veins, reminding you of the work every time. That's a true progressive love. If you are so connected in and indulge in your work that time feels short, but you schedule your work on time happily, that leads you towards your goal successfully. True love is within you when you love yourself the way you are, and this love supports you lifetime in each and every aspect in your life. Love is real if it's progressive. Love is real if it loves you the way you are. Love is real if it instills a positive energy in you. Love is real when everything feels heavens. Love is real when you feel it with all your heart and soul. Love can be in any form throughout your life, either in a person, work, career, education, book, music, place, adventure. It's just unending if you feel it in everything around. It's a blessing in the sunshine. It's cold with the blowing winds that touches you. It's dark like night and the moonlight that makes you feel peace. Love is peace. Love is home. Love is real. Love is feeling. Love is everything around. Love is progressive. Be loved with you. If it's true, it will be the mirror of you standing in front of you exactly like you. Feel it, trust it, have faith in it, believe in it. Stay loved. Stay tuned to my channel by subscribing and hit the bell icon for more interesting video updates right after the other. Comment down in this section what do you think and feel about love. Let me know about your problems and love or related to anything you want to share. I will surely sort it out in most awesome way because sharing is caring. Also share my video as much as you can to uplift the people around. Don't forget to visit my blog mentioned in the description below. Stay tuned, stay healthy. Let's spread love together.